YouTube, gamers, non-gamers, welcome to my new company called Ramblex Studios, where Lee Bader makes video games for everybody. First game is called Race to the Roxy Party. The goal is to get my mom's dog Roxy to the Roxy Party, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So, I'm about to launch the game. Here it is. Roxy is lost. Go find her as soon as possible. So we need to go find Roxy. And here we are. The game timer has started. You can see I can't control Roxy. You gotta go find her. Go find her. And now I found her. You found Roxy, but she's thirsty. Bring her to the watering hole. So you'll see now I can control her. And I need to bring her to the watering hole. So before I do that, well, I just got there, but there's money. And when you bring Roxy to the Roxy hole, watch the money, it goes up. Yay, Roxy is happy and she's making you money. Train a carpenter to break down the door to get to the Roxy party, alright? So I'm gonna build some carpenters to block down our door to get to the party. Because if you look over here, there's a fancy party. Look at that. Okay, so we can break down the door. We have Roxy. So let's march over there and figure out where the door is. So we can get Roxy to the party. So there we go, marching over. Here's our door. Breaking down the door, and the door's down. Now, Roxy and the crew are at the party. And that's how you win. So the goal is to accomplish the task, find Roxy, bring her to the water, make money, break down the door, get to the party. So that's the entire idea, is to go as fast as you can. It's basically a race. So after this, I'll show you what it looks like to do it. Basically perfect. It's around 45 to 47 seconds, depending on what Roxy decides to do, where she decides to go. But here we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start a second game, and I'm going to do it as fast as I can. Hopefully around 45 seconds is about as fast as you can do it. My plan is to make, more complex maps, maybe like a beginner, intermediate, advanced. And yeah, each one will be a little longer, a little more complex. Got to optimize it a little more. So here I'll do this first map as it is just a prototype. I'm thinking this is going to be on the shorter side. But you'll see how to do it as fast as possible, and then I'll show you how to go to my website, submit your score, and then you'll be able to see how you stacked up against everybody else. So here we go. Gonna grab Roxy, go into the water hole, gonna make some carpenters. They cost 50 minerals. I'm gonna make 3. So you can see I'm gonna make 1 more once I get to 50, and then we're gonna go. And then we already know where the door is because we did it once before, so we're gonna go straight there. Attack the door. You can see Roxy's the slowest. So ideally you want to get her out of the water as fast as possible, but she needs to be in the water to make the carpenters. And there you go. So you want to get Roxy to the party as soon as possible, but the longer she stays and makes you money, the slower she's going to be able to walk. So that's the whole balance of the game. And then it's going to be a puzzle game, so you're going to be moving Roxy's puppies around. And then, yeah, you got to figure out a way to do it as fast as possible. Okay, so once you have your score, mine was 46. I'm going to make it so you can display the score right here on the screen. It's definitely possible, but as you can see, under development, everything takes time to make. Okay, so I was 47 seconds. Now you would go to my website here and post your score here on the website, and it'll bring you to a link here where I have my website. And so I'll add to the list, add participant, Lee Bader, developer, add participant, and I submitted 47 seconds. Oh, I need negative buttons. So, yep, need to add negative seconds. Okay. So, well, let's just say I did in 70 seconds. Let's say I did it in 130 seconds, 33 seconds. It'll automatically update. And yeah, work in progress. Joe Schmo is our current leader who's going to take me down at 132 seconds. Okay, that's the video. Yeah, good luck, and I hope to see some good scores on the board. And that'll be all. Thank you guys. Check in next week for another video for an update about Roxy, Race to the Roxy Party. Okay, peace, guys.